Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 brings a larger cover display, armor aluminum frame. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 clamshell is the second foldable phone to debut today at Unpacked event. It comes with a new design and improvement to the both screens, plus an official IPX8 rating for water resistant, much like the Galaxy Z Fold 3 that shared the stage with it. For starter, the Z Flip 3 has a much larger cover display, 1.9-inch of Super AMOLED display that enables easier checking and interaction with notification and support for more apps without opening the phone. The big foldable panel on the inside has also slightly improved. It remains a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED with a Full HD Plus resolution, but now we have 120 Hz of adaptive refresh rate. The dual camera next to the cover screen is now lined up vertically, with LED flashlight below them is differently colored part of the panel. The dual shooter includes a 12-megapixel camera with an optical image stabilization support and a 12-megapixel of ultra-wide angle camera, which means it is identical to the Galaxy Z Flip and the Z Flip 5G. There is a third camera nested inside a punch hole on the main display, and that is also carried out from the last year model, a 10-megapixel sensor behind the f2.4 lens. One of the most notable upgrade in terms of photography has nothing to do with the camera themselves. Instead, the larger cover display which will make it easier to shoot selfies with the main camera. On the inside, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 will be coming with a Snapdragon 888 chipset, 8GB of RAM, 128 or 256GB of speedy UFS 3.1 storage, and the phone will support the Sub-6 and mmWave 5G. The Z Flip 3 comes with a Gorilla Glass Victus on the exterior and an armor aluminum frame just like these Fold sibling. Samsung made the phone shorter, narrower and thinner than its predecessor, while the weight is unchanged at 183 grams. Samsung decided to keep the battery capacity unchanged at 33 mAh of a battery cell as in the first two clamshell from the Galaxy family. However, unfortunately, we are going to see 15 watt of charging, which is really disappointing for a $1,000 price tag of phone in 2021. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 is a fashion accessory as much as the smartphone. That's why Samsung will offer no less than 7 colors. There's also a line of colorful cases with matte rings or leather straps that act as a holder for better device handling. So guys, all in all, the Z Flip 3 with the base model will be coming with a price tag of $1,000 both for the 128 or 256GB models as you pre-order the device. The pre-order of the device has already been started, and you definitely buy that particular device if you think that this is going to be the choice of your device. And that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.